I'm going to show you a trading strategy that uses machine learning to make you money. Let's get straight into it. First things first, let's set up TradingView to make you money. Click on indicators. To find this amazing AI trading strategy, we will need to type in machine learning. Add this one to your chart. This indicator uses machine learning to understand price movement of historical data to predict future movements on each pair and adds a number value to each candle. Not every move is perfect, but this is why we will improve it using two other indicators. Tell you about today's sponsor, tradeiq. tradeiq is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using tradeiq to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track back testing progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I use this to back test all of the strategies shared on the channel. tradeiq also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all this, tradeiq is also giving you a step-by-step guide on back testing worth $100. You also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240 now. They'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. This time, you'll want to type in EMA, and we will use this as one of the confirmations for trend. Ensure you've all used these before. Open the EMA settings and change the length from 9 to 200. You can also make the EMA line a bit thicker so it is easier to see. Next, we will want to add the final indicator. Click on indicators and type in trend alert. Select this one here and add it to your chart. Okay, so now that you have added all 3 indicators, your chart should look like this. Let's get into how we can take trades. Let's start with sells. You can see at the bottom of the screen, the trend alert indicator was green, but it has now changed to red. This indicates a downtrend, and we should only look for sells during this time. First thing we want to look for is a sell label. Paint this red label signals a sell trade. Our second confluence for this strategy is the 200 EMA. For a sell, price must be below the 200 line and the candle must be closed. And finally, the trend alert is red, so this is a valid trade to enter. We will enter at the close of this candle here. For sells, we will be setting out stop loss at the red line here. The indicator has default settings. And finally, we will be targeting a 3 risk to reward ratio. You can see after a few candles, this would have hit the take profit target. Moving on, we can see a buy signal, but that isn't valid. Then we have another sell, which is valid, so we'll enter here. We'll be entering at the candle close and setting the stop loss to the red line again. As you can see, our 3 risk to reward would have hit again shortly after. We can see another red signal paint, but it's pretty clear price wouldn't have reached the profit target on this trade. No problem though, we'll take the 1% loss. We are still 5% up from 3 trades, which is pretty amazing. Let's cross this off and move on. As you can see, the next signal was a buy, but this isn't valid. Price has now changed direction, so we will only be looking for buy trades. This buy here is valid because price is above the 200 EMA and we have a green trend alert. We will now be setting the stop loss to the green line. We will still target 3% profit. This was another lovely example and hit our take profit. Moving on, we had a sales signal paint, but it wasn't valid. Then after another buy, set a long position at the close of the candle and again set the stop loss to the green line. I'm sure you can start to see how the setup works, and during this time in the market it worked very well. This section alone could have passed your funded account if you were smart about it. There is another take profit hit. Even the next 2 trades after this would have both hit your profit targets, achieving another 6% on top. Okay, so now that you have seen how the strategy works and the kind of profits that can be made, let's back test it and show the results from 100 trades. Please click that subscribe button if you're liking this strategy. Okay, so I have now back tested this strategy, and you can clearly see how impressive the results are. We went for a profit target of 3% and risked 1% per trade. We also started with a balance of $5,000, as that is the smallest prop firm funded account you can get with my Forex funds, but we managed to turn $5,000 into $24,000, which is absolutely crazy. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please click this one right here, or consider subscribing. Foreign.